Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm making tiger nut milk, and to make tiger nut milk I'm going to be adding some coconut and some dates and water. To make this, one needs to soak the tiger nuts for some time, and you have to also cut the coconut into smaller sizes so that your blender can blend it well. In this video my blender couldn't blend it well, so I had to transfer it into a stronger blender which did the job perfectly. And in this recipe also, after blending for the first time, I never added the residue back into the blender because I'll be using it for baking. So I want the sweet content in it to be intact. That is why I'll not be blending it over and over again. I'll just blend it once and strain out the milk, and then the residue will be used in baking. All these three ingredients we use has a lot of benefits to the body. These are rich in fiber, which is good for digestion. Coconut also reduces the risk of heart diseases, and also coconut oil is also known to maintain cholesterol levels of the body, and this will reduce the belly fat. Excess belly fat increases the risk of diabetes and heart diseases. Tiger nuts to boost our immune system, which aids in fighting infections. So you can see all these three has a lot of benefit to us. So it is good to consume them. But remember, everything should be in moderation. So I've strained my milk, and now it's about time I pour it into my glass jar. So this is the residue. I'm going to dry it afterwards. I'll make it into powdered form, and I'll add it to my pastries and cakes. You can take your milk this way, or you keep it in the refrigerator for some time just to make it chilled. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I put up a new video. I hope you have enjoyed your stay here. Have a nice time. See you. Bye.